Hi guys, today I'm going to play my favorite ABC animals. Let's go. Okay, so let's go to the animals. Let's go right to the lion.
What does a lion eat?
Let's see what happens when you give him bamboo.
Bamboo.
Ooh, yucky.
That's funny. Let's give him meat then.
Meat.
He likes it. I hope he likes it. Oh, he loves it. Okay. Oh,
Pet
my
salon.
dog need a bath. But first, let's give him a toy. Now, so we can go down, give him his waterproof stuffy. And now let's give him his bath. Oh, he likes it. That's pink soap. How he's hidden. Time to sour everything out. Like this. Now it's time to dry him off with his towel. Now blow dry him. He looks nice and clean. Time to dress him up. Now we have to just put his tag. I like this tag. Now for his hat. It's too hot out. That's a good looking hat. Now let's decorate his home. Get these and now flowers, so many flowers. I hope you like these flowers. Time for the baby sun by the mom sun. Okay, butterflies. I love butterflies. A lot of butterflies. Some in his eyes. Okay, some are fluttering around his house. Okay, there's a heart. Like, okay. Put this in trash. Like, butterflies. Like, okay, here's the rocket blasting off. Oh, I like these flowers. Hope my mom will like them too. Okay, he needs sunglasses. These will burn his eyes. Okay, let's take a picture. Oh, that's a good picture. I like the picture. Okay. This is the
Pet doctor.
pet doctor. Let's go right here. Here's a toothache. Look at all those germs. Do you hear that noise? Time to brush his teeth. He hasn't brushed his teeth in 98. Girl, you have to listen to your mother. Oh, he's all better now. He's eating his meat. Oh, wow. This girl has become... Look at all these dots. I'm not sure what happened to her. Okay. Listen. These are popping noises. Pop. It disappears when there's too much. It's done. Give a high five. High five. Okay, that boy is getting. Let's see. Drag the germs into the water. If you missed, when you put it here, he hides. This happened. Yes. Oh, he's all better now. puddles.
Uh-oh. Well done. Let's try again.
Okay, this is cool.
Excellent.
It's like I'm making a dog. I'm right. So, now we can unlock. Let's go back to feeding the animals. Because
What
they're
does a
so
dog
hungry.
eat? Grass. Bone.
Yo. Oh wow, he likes that bone.
What does a cow eat? Grass.
Oh, he loves it.
What does a
Time
cat eat?
for Fissy. He said fissy.
Fish.
Give him the fish. Oh, he likes it. I don't believe it. He can eat it.
What does a hippopotamus eat?
He can
Leaves.
eat leaves. Watch. Oh, he ate all leaves. Okay, so there's a panda right here.
What does a panda eat?
Panda. This is his
Bamboo.
favorite bamboo. But let's see what happens when we give him the
Cheese.
Yucky.
He says yucky. Trying to give
Bamboo.
him